In this video, I am going to guide you on how to change your phone number on the 13 Cabs app. Updating your numbers ensures you receive ride updates, driver calls, and booking confirmations. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the 13 Cabs app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged in. 2. Tap the menu icon. 3 horizontal lines are your profile picture in the top corner. 3. Select settings or profile from the menu. 4. Look for the phone number field and tap it. 5. Enter your new phone number, making sure to include the correct country code. 6. The app will send a verification SMS to your new number. Check your messages. 7. Enter the verification code from the SMS into the app when prompted. 8. Once verified, your new number will be saved and used for all future rides. Updating your number promptly ensures ride confirmations and driver communications reach you. It also keeps your account secure and your ride history properly linked to you.